Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add contacts on your Zangi app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Zangi app. Then over there you can see the option of person icon. There you can see the option of invite friends, add a friend. Tap on add a friend. There enter your friend's account number, their last name. You make sure that you know their exact name to add the correct contact, and add their Zangi number. Tap on the right button on your top right corner. You can see, click on it. Then your friend's account will appear. It is so then add it or delete the request. Thank you for watching this video. You have successfully added your friend to your Zangi account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.